Hey, crypto family, how you doing? Austin here. We're going to talk about why the crypto market is surging, why it is up. Just to put that in perspective, we are back up over that $4 trillion market cap. This is good territory to be in. We're getting back within shouting distance of our $4,190 billion market cap, the highest it's ever been, ever, about a month ago, almost exactly to the day. And so today we're back up to that 4 trillion, over that $4 trillion mark. Now, let's put that into perspective. Why are we up? What is going on? We're going to talk about that in this video. I'm going to give you the reasons for it. We've got a lot of positive, bullish things happening, and it's good stuff. Hey, links in the description below. Go check it out. Go join if you're interested. My free newsletter. Pick it up. It's free profit and wealth strategies for stocks, crypto, all that kind of stuff. No spam, no junk, just high value content. So go get that. Okay. So, like I said, we are back up now. Again, we're up 2% in the overall crypto market. We got Ethereum up 5%. We got Bitcoin up over 116,000. We got XRP at $3.10. It's not like we're up 10, 15%, but guys, this is a good thing leading into the weekend. So what's playing out here is something I've talked about in some videos. We've got some positive market speculation, right? Some positive bullish market speculation. I think that people are speculating on what's going to happen on September 17th, 5 days from now, because today's September 12th. Don't do math in public, right? What the Federal Reserve is going to do. Okay, I think that's really what people are why you're seeing some capital, some liquidity, cash flow in right now, is people are kind of getting in before the possible significant bull run that we may see kicked off on the 17th. Because here's what they're speculating on. People are speculating on whether or not the Federal Reserve is going to reduce that base interest rate by 25 basis points or 50 basis points. 25 is what's expected. Everybody's expecting that 25 basis points. But if we get that 50 basis points, which could very well be a strong possibility, we have a very weak jobs market, which means that we need the Federal Reserve to lower that interest rate to kick the economy in the proverbial backside, if you will. Our PPI report, our producer price index, came in lower than expected. CPI, consumer price index, came in line with expectation. But it's really that jobs report, and the jobs, the fact of this, the state of the union about jobs is pretty bleak. There's not a lot of jobs being created because businesses and employers are not rolling out the red carpet and creating jobs and hiring people. Why? Money is tight. People are watching their dollars, if you will, from the employer standpoint. Okay, so that's what's playing out. Okay, so but how is it impacting your crypto? What's going on with crypto? All right, so like I said, let's jump into this. We got Bitcoin back over 116,000, Ethereum up 5+%. Really the kind of the leader in the house outside of Solana. Ethereum, Solana leading, BNB up 3%. Got a little bit of money flowing back into Dogecoin and Pepe, things of that nature. Always look to the meme coins, because meme coins are a pretty good signal of retail investors, because they do put money into meme coins. Whether you like that space or not as an investment vehicle for yourself, keep an eye on meme coins, because that's where a lot of liquidity flows in first. It comes in through meme coins. There's just people out there that don't buy Bitcoin. I think they should. I think you should own Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. You guys heard me say that a bunch in a lot of videos. But to give you some perspective, kind of looking at that, you know, we got Ethereum in the last 2 days. It's up 9%, right? I mean, right there. But look at this. Ethereum has the potential to run, right? I mean, this was in 11 days. Ethereum went up 33+%. And before this just recent run, Ethereum had kind of given back 11+% right there. You see that right there. I mean, look at XLM. In the last 11 days, it's up 19%. Look at XRP. In the last 10 days, it's up 12%. You want to see a big one. Look at WorldCoin. Look at this. You can see this, right? In 5 days, went up 126+%. By the way, see that buy alert and that sell alert? That is my trading indicator, my software that you could be using for $1.15 a day. $1.15 what it cost you. There's 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. But again, $1,000 bought here, sold here. When the software said told you to buy and sell, would have made you a profit of $1,260 on a $1,000 buy. You sell, you get your 1,000 back plus $1,260. Links are in the description below, right down there. Go pick it up. There's a discount code down there. Makes the software even cheaper than this, about $1.15 a day. So go give it a look. Look, oh, and by the way, you can use the software for stocks. This is Tesla. See it right here? Tesla. Buy here, sell there. 90 days, 62%. Sell, buy again, buy, sell. And look, over a period of 248 days, 200% profit. 200% profit for software that costs you $1.15 a day. It's not a bad equation, is it? Okay, look, it works. The software works. By the way, it tells you right here, sell, don't take a 42% loss, right? Just buy and sell when the software tells you to buy and sell. That's it. All right. So links are down there. Okay, so let's take a look real quickly at what is going on and kind of why the crypto market is up. I promised you that. So we're going to take a look. We're going to look at a little AI snippet here from CoinMarketCap, because I sometimes look at this and there's usually a lot of good value here. We've got institutional inflows. That's number one. We got institutional money coming in. Remember, going back to the top of the video, what did I say? There's liquidity and capital, institutional money flowing in. Why? Speculative. It's speculating on what's going to happen on the 17th. Everybody's starting to now kind of place their bets. Okay, I'm placing my bets. And they know that it's probably going to go up, even if we only get a 25 basis point cut. It's going to go up dramatically higher if we get that 50 basis point cut. So again, institutional demand is starting to pick up. And then we've got altcoin rotation. What does that mean? That means that the altcoin season index is surging 30+% in the last 7 days. What does that mean? That means that there is capital, liquidity, cash, money flowing into altcoins. What are altcoins? Ethereum, XRP, the biggies, right? Cardano, Chainlink, so forth and so on. Those are all of your major altcoins. Stellar, I mean, we just looked at XLM. In the last 11 days, Stellar XLM is up 19%. XRP in the last 10 days is up 12%. Ethereum, right here, I'll show it to you right there. Ethereum in the last 2 days is up 8%. Well, why is it not up 18 or 19%? Come on, Ethereum's got a much larger market cap. It doesn't move as fast as, say, XLM has a smaller market cap. It can move farther, faster, up and or down. Okay. So look, this is what we're seeing, guys. We're seeing liquidity capital coming in. This is big crypto news. Why the crypto market is surging today is, I think, a lot of speculation playing out about what's going to happen with the Fed. But again, it's at the end of the day, it's institutional money flowing in regardless. A lot of that institutional money is speculative about what is going to play out on the 17th of September, which is fine. But that's what we're seeing. I think we're going to see this kind of play out as we roll up to September 17th. This is all good news. Thank you for your support. I greatly appreciate you. Hey, look, seriously, go try the software. It's $1.15 a day with that discount code, and you got a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. I gave you like 4 examples in this video about how you could use the software to make money even in this crazy time. And the market's about to take off. When you know the perfect time to buy and then boom, sell at the right time to make 50, 60, 70%. Or whatever it may be on any of the cryptos that you want to watch. And you can use it for any crypto. You can use it for any stock, whatever you want to do. All right. I will see you later. Have a good one. I appreciate your time. Later.